this is Nancy with Ashes Treasure, and as I promised, the apple cider. And here it is. This is about as much as it made. I have some in my cup. And the kids have tried it. And it's really good. So, I won't post anything about food or apple cider or anything unless it's kid tested and kids approved. Well, you know, my kids are 20-some years old, but still, it has to be kid tested and kids approved. And yes, we had chili, and I made breast sticks for supper. So it's like 40-some degrees here. So it was a good day to have some chili. But I wanted to show y'all. I will post the recipe down below and where I got it from. But yes, here's the apple cider. It is wonderful. And thank you for watching. If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button underneath. Ring the bell for notifications.
Go ahead.
Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on Ashley's Treasure. Oh, here she comes.
Look, a cat in the hat.
We're watching Cake Wars.
Cake Wars.
So, see you next time.
See you next time.
She just
And
ate.
make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you again.
Later.